Assalamu alaikum. Hello my dear friends, welcome to my channel. Dear, if you are new coming in my channel, please watch my previous video. They will help you in getting international scholarship, exchange program and internship program for the year of 2022. So today we are going to discuss the government of Italy scholarship program for the year of 2022, that is a fully funded program. The application are open to apply for the Government of Italy scholarship for the academic term 2022 to 2023. The Italian scholarship are the most easiest scholarship, affordable scholarship, and it has the oldest university in the world. The Invest Your Talent in Italy is the logo of Italy government scholarship is open to the international students for a master degree program. The scholarship are funded by the Ministry of Foreign Affairs. It is to inform you that the most of the Italian university do not ask for the language test like IELTS or TOEFL. Italy is one of the most affordable countries in Europe where you can study abroad, and that goes for tuition fees and living costs as well. Study in Italy is not an expensive country with 61 vibrant public universities, 30 private universities, 11 public universities, 39 courses had in English. A wide range of courses available to study. International students will be able to study in top Italian universities. Italian government scholarship also includes some mandatory internship at selected Italian companies which are partner of the initiative. The duration of the master degree program will be 1 year. So let's have a look on some details about Government of Italy Scholarship 2022. The scholarship country is Italy, and the capital of Italy is Rome, and the course level is for master degree program. This is only for 1 year master degree program, and the financial coverage is fully funded, and the deadline is 15th February 2022. Available courses are postgraduate courses in engineering, advanced technologies, architecture, design, economics and management at top Italian university, designed in close cooperation with key business will boost your job perspective within a competitive landscape. All the lecture and teaching material are in English. The scholarship will start on 1st October 2022. And the financial coverage. Italy is the most affordable country for everyone. You can easily cover your expenses. The following things will be covered by the Italian government. All the candidates will be exempted from the tuition fee. Guarantees will receive a 90,000 euro monthly allowance on a quarterly basis, which will be paid on his Italian bank account. And the eligibility criteria: applicant must have been born on or after January 1st, 1995, except those applying for scholarship renewal. Candidate must submit an English language certificate as a proof of their proficiency in English, IELTS, TOEFL, or English language proficiency from the previous institute. The applicant has completed a bachelor degree. The deadline is 15 February 2022. So first of all, the link is to register online for the scholarship. Go to apply on it. First of all, you have to register yourself in Invest Your Talent in Italy. Italy is waiting for you. So register to my app. First of all, you have to put your email, your password, your confirm password, your question, and your secret question, and answer that question, and then I agree, and then submit it. In this way, you can register yourself. After registering yourself, so guys, this is my application form. In this area, you can fill, save, edit, and finally submit your application to the Invest Your Talent in Italy program. So go to fill and edit my application, fill all the fields, upload the required files and click save. If your application is complete, go to display submit my application and click submit. If you want to edit it, you can do it. Fill edit my application, we will be required to upload all the files. And we recommend to forward the application well in advance of the deadline. We decline any responsibility in case of server malfunction due to excessive number of applications being forwarded in the last days of the call. So guys, it is clearly mentioned that I am insisting in my every video that you must have to apply as soon as possible. So go to fill and edit my application. Here you can select your university, your course. After selecting your course, you have to put your information here. And please note that for 2022 to 2023 academic year, Invest Your Talent in Italy is open to students coming from the following countries. If you are coming from these countries, then you can apply for this scholarship program. Otherwise, you can't apply for this scholarship program. The countries are Armenia, Egypt, Indonesia, Republic of Korea, Vietnam, Azerbaijan, Ethiopia, Iran, People's Republic of China, Brazil, Ghana, Kazakhstan, Tunisia, and Colombia, India, Mexico, and Turkey. These are the countries. The people, residents, or nationality of these countries can apply for this scholarship program. And after that, go to save it. It is clear mentioned that if your application is complete, go to the display submit my application and click submit. So as I did not put my information, so you have to put your all the information step by step. After putting all the information, you have to simply submit your application form. So guys, this is the whole process. In this way, you can apply for this prestigious 1 year master degree program if you are nationality of these countries that mentioned in the application form. So invest your talent in Italy. Don't waste your time. Apply as soon as possible and share it with your friends circle. Thank you so much, guys. Take care. Allah Hafiz.